Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to talk about on how you can fix your JBL Vive bots and how you can factory reset them. So when you're gonna have them, right now you see that it's connected to the phone, right? And what I'm going to do now is that this is also going to work for the Wave bots, but also for the Vive bots. You're gonna triple press the left side, the left earbud, and then you're gonna hold it for a few seconds. So I will just 1, 2, 3 and hold. Automatically what will happen is that it's going to disconnect from my phone. See, it's disconnected, and now I'm going to put it back to the charging. Okay, and now the factory reset has been finished. So this is how you can factory reset them, and this is going to also work for the Vive bots, but this is also going to work for the Wave bots if you have them. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you're gonna have a great day, and let me down below in the comments if you're gonna have any questions. So have a great day and goodbye.